Now, I don't know about you, but it seems like just about every other day I either hear or read something about why we should all include more whole grains in our diets. Whole grains help control weight, cholesterol levels, and blood pressure. They're rich in dietary fiber, and those are just a few of the benefits. Okay, but how do you do that? How do you incorporate more whole grains into your diet? Well, that's a great question, and because I love whole grains and I use them often, I thought I'd help answer that question with 2 Sunday classes this month dedicated to whole grain baking. The first, on March 17th, is all about how to make a loaf of soft whole wheat bread, the sort of daily loaf that everyone loves to have around for sandwiches or toast or French toast, grilled cheese, that sort of thing. You probably remember how home bread making really took off during the pandemic, to the point where it was hard to find flour and yeast. Well, now that things are back to normal, this is a great time to discover for yourself how incredible fresh, homemade bread tastes and just how gratifying it is to make. Trust me, you can do this. Even if you've tried before and couldn't quite get the knack, I promise you're going to turn out the perfect loaf with my tried and true method. Now, the following Sunday, March 24th, we're going to put that bag of whole wheat flour to use once again and learn the secrets to making perfect whole grain pie crust. Now, you can use this type of crust on all sorts of sweet and savory pies, single and double crust, but in this class, we'll team them up with a couple of fabulous quiche, one packed with healthy greens and the other a classic quiche Lorraine. Now, of course, you can bake these quiche in your favorite pie pans, but I'm going to introduce you to some pans and some methods that you might not be familiar with. We'll incorporate some healthy touches like seeds and find out exactly how to make a tender whole wheat crust that'll turn even health food naysayers into believers. So there you have it. If you love to bake, and even if you're just getting started on your baking journey, these classes are for you. You'll find everything you need to know below or in the link below. And don't forget, you get a nice discount if you sign up for both classes, not to mention lifetime access to the replays. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in class.